Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a universal remote. First, gather your universal remote, its instruction manual, and all the devices you wish to control, such as your television, DVD player, or sound system. Ensure fresh batteries are installed in your remote. Having everything ready before you begin will make the setup process much smoother and quicker, saving you time and effort. There are typically two main ways to program your remote. The first is direct code entry, where you find a specific 3-digit or 4-digit code for your device in the manual and input it. The second method is auto search, where the remote cycles through codes until it finds the correct one. This usually involves holding down a button for about 15 seconds until a light flashes, then pressing the power button on your device. After attempting to program, it's crucial to test your remote thoroughly. Try all the basic functions like power, volume, and channel changes for each device. If a function doesn't work, try a different code or repeat the auto search process. Common issues include incorrect codes or not holding buttons long enough. Patience is key. Sometimes it takes a few tries to find the perfect match for all your electronics. Many universal remotes offer advanced features that can enhance your experience. Look for a learning function, which allows your remote to mimic commands from an original remote. You might also be able to set up macros to perform a sequence of actions with a single button press, like turning on your TV and sound system simultaneously. Remember to replace batteries every 6 to 12 months for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.